doing something for you lately. And I am trying so hard to just stay cool. Oh man, I think I might be going crazy. 'Cause all I really, really want is to be with you. And I'm saying we're just friends, but thinking you're my man. And baby, if you knew, hey, I say I'm doing alright, I'm doing just fine, but I'm scattered, and I cry when you're not around, because it matters, dreaming of your kisses in the nighttime, knowing what I'm missing, but I'm still like, hey, I say I'm doing alright, I'm fine, but I'm scattered, we're just friends. Oh no.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today's video is a highly requested one from one of you guys. My sweet friend Taya over at the Diva Spot 101 recently reached out to me and said, Chelle, I need your help. For those of you who may not know, my beautiful friend Taya is the Diva Spot 101. She has a wonderful channel, guys. She does beautiful glam home decor. She does hauls, there's lifestyle. She is precious and I love her with all my heart. And when she reached out to me, I was so honoured that she'd even think of me to help her out. Now, she has these two boxes in her dressing room and she said, Chelle, I want to paint these, but I want to give the illusion that they're actually designer books. Using this picture as inspiration, she said, Chelle, help me make them look like designer stackable books. So I put my little glam thinking cap on. I purchased 2 gift boxes, very similar to Taya's, and off I went. Now what we're trying to create here, guys, is that each box will look like it has 4 to 5 books stacked up from the bottom. So what I'm doing is I'm taking the larger box from the bottom and I'm taking a ruler and a pen. And we're going to start off about 2 centimeters up from the bottom as the very first coffee table book. You're then going to start on this second book and you're going to go in about 1/2 centimeter. And you're going to do about 1 centimeter tall, and then you're going to continue up to the top of the box. So it's almost like a layered cake, guys. Now you see here that I'm actually using the lid as one of those books. So make sure that it all lines up to the top of the lid. So then you're putting the second box on top, and this is where you're going to get the lines to join up. So make sure that it'll continue to stack up to the top lid of that second box, and that's why I'm just lining everything up here. As you can see with that second box, I continued with that layered effect to the very top. Once it's all complete, you're then going to line it up. Now you'll see here, guys, I made a slight error, but I'm able to fix that with the paint.
Let's enjoy the ride.
So starting with some black craft paint, I'm going to start with the very bottom book.
We were like yin and yang combined. Now the tables have turned. Can we live and I learn?
I then took this beautiful metallic silver and I'm going to make that my second book.
Without water, and they came when it's cold. We could go till we're older.
I then went in with that black again and made my third book black.
And let's enjoy the ride. Let's just live life.
in with this beautiful cherry blossom pink, and I made the top book pink.
As long as I'm with you, say something, don't be speechless. I'm sleepless, so alone in this stillness.
While they were drying, I then moved on to my second box. Starting from the bottom, I then took that beautiful grey and made that the bottom book. My second book, I then went in with the black. Using the same paintbrush, I painted the top book black as well.
Let's enjoy the ride.
Now you'll see here that I took the lid off here to make sure that the two blacks from the top joined. So I'm painting the very top black as well.
Let's just have
Underneath the black, I painted it pink and left the one underneath that plain white.
without water. And they
While that was drying, I then took this adorable little high heel shoe. Now guys, this is actually a pencil sharpener, but I had a wonderful idea as using this as a prop for my design. I took this outside and spray painted it black. While that dried, it was now time to write the words onto our coffee table books.
times that we had.
Taking this white paint pen, starting at the bottom, I wrote the word Tom Ford.
They couldn't understand the things you did to me. You showed me what it's like.
I then took a black Sharpie pen, and on the next book, you're going to write the word Kate Moss.
I didn't think that I could ever get enough.
Now your writing does not have to be perfect here, guys. Just practice by going over on some paper first and then go in. You can see that I'm using a combination of the white paint pen as well as the black Sharpie pen. I then sat my second box on top so I could line everything up. I then took some gold paint here, guys. And as you can see, I've wrote the word Chanel, but under the book underneath that, I'm going to go in and write the word Prada. Now what I did here is I just took a very small paintbrush and freehanded it that way. Now I'm going to take my smallest black Sharpie pen, and to give the book some definition, I'm going round the edges of each book.
Only you could set me free.
I then wanted to give a splattered effect over the boxes, so I took an old toothbrush, I dipped it in a little bit of water and some black paint, and I flicked it onto the boxes.
And it kinda feels like wasting something that was good right from the start.
Now I also had a white round box, guys, and I wanted to add a little bit of definition to the entire piece. So I took first of all the round box, and taking that toothbrush again, I did the exact same thing. Once it was completely dry, I then took some of this Chanel ribbon and I hot glued it around the top of the box. I then took my adorable little high heel shoe. I took a little diamante and hot glued that to the front of the shoe, and then took this beautiful bow as well as this beautiful brooch, and I hot glued that to the back of the shoe.
I still wanna hold you, hold you, hold. Hold you, hold you, hold. Hold you, hold you, hold.
You're then going to hot glue that to the top of the round box.
I still wanna hold you, hold you, hold. Baby, let me hold you, hold you.
Now taking some black craft ribbon, what you're going to do here is hot glue down either side as if this is like a big present. So I'm starting from the top and gluing it until it's underneath.
You're calling.
I then repeated the same steps on the other side.
What it is you do to me, yeah.
I also overlapped the ribbon with some CHELLE ribbon, and I hot glued that in place. Now off camera, I hot glued to my little round box a dollar store set of angel wings. I added a little diamante to the centre, and then I glued my little box to the top. And here is my adorable designer coffee table book stack, all made from 2 gift boxes.
I missed you. Give me that kiss now. I just wanna hold you close to me. I really like you. Do you like me? Don't you wanna see what this
Guys, when Taya asked me to have a go at this particular DIY, I wanted so badly for it to come out so nice for her. I wanted anyone to watch this video and say, I could definitely have a go at that. Here is a typical example. We took 2 gift boxes, stacked them on top, and give the illusion of some stylish coffee table books that are stacked up.
ready for that hot break. Yeah. Ooh, baby, I am ready for that hot break. Yeah. Ooh, baby, I am ready for that hot break.
A big shout out has to go to my beautiful friend Taya over at the Diva Spot 101 for suggesting me to have a go at this DIY for her. Guys, please go show her some love. I'll leave a link to her channel down below. She's having a little break from YouTube at the moment, but please show her some love because we so want her to come back. She is the kindest, most sweetest friend, and I truly love her so much, and she knows that. So I'm hoping that she'll love this DIY that I dedicate to her.
6, 7, 8, ready for that hot break. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you while you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8, ready for that hot break.
So guys, I'm so inspired by you all. If you have a DIY that you'd love CHELLE to recreate, please let me know. I'd love to try and have a go at it for you. Leave a comment down below if you have an idea.
Yeah, you can make me laugh and cry just by being around. If heaven's door is open, it's 'cause you kicked it down. Every word you say, every smile you fake, I let you go. It's sad to see you feeding off the feeling. Every heart you break.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope I've inspired you to have a go at your very own DIY designer book stack.
We could just by looking at you. Those big brown eyes always take over the room.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and tap that notification bell so you'll be aware next time I upload a video.
You kicked it down. Every word you say,
I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Chelle's Glam Home.
every heart you break, every soul you shake, I let you go. It's you, not me, who messed up now. When it's trouble, hey, birthday. If you would stay, baby.
So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.